Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. These are all my fidgets, so I'm just gonna name them out and show you all of them. So here, all of them are on the table. You can see everything. So these are all my fidgets. So first we're going to start with stress balls. We have this Orbeez Llama stress ball. We have color changing stress ball. We have an Orbeez pineapple stress ball. We have some DIY stress balls, and I have a couple more. These. Then we have a Cool Cat stress ball, sorry. I don't know if you count this as stress ball, but it's kind of a little bit because you kind of squish it. And it stretches. Next, we're gonna do some popping stuff. So we have two simple dimples, yellow poppet, yellow poppet, brown poppet, and then we have a blue cloud poppet. Then we have this mini poppet, this mini poppet, this mini poppet, and then I have a couple more, and then this one. Next we have slime and Play-Doh. So we have blue Play-Doh, we have purple Play-Doh, we have Nickelodeon clear slime, we have glow-in-the-dark slime, putty, we have glitter putty, we have magnet putty, and then we have this. I don't really know what it's called. Sorry, it just dropped to me. Next, mochis and squishies. We have this. Sorry, one second. We have this popcorn squishy, hedgehog mochi, I guess gummy bear mochi. Sorry, they're a little dirty. Elephant mochi, polar bear mochi, and I think this is a bear mochi, and then we have this cat mochi. Next we have stretching things, I guess. We have marble and meshes. We have pop tubes. We have monkey noodles. Then we have these are kind of all together tangles. And then the rest are DIYs. Then we have a mini Rubik's Cube and a Snappers. So these are all the fidgets for 2021. So they're all right here. So these are all the fidgets I collected in 2021. I hope you guys like them. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to be notified when we upload new videos.
Bye.
Bye.